back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about exporting organizational unit details in CSV HTML notepad file. So how and which CMDlet will be used to export all organizational unit details. In previous video we saw that or we learned about how to get the organizational unit details. So we are going to use the same command get ad organizational unit command cmdelete to export the organizational unit detail OU details in CSV, notepad and HTML format. So how can we use this command to export organizational unit details? So if I execute this, it will prompt me for filter. It will provide me these all the information. Okay, so instead of that, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use this command to export all the details. So I'm going to use filter parameter. After this, I'm using star. That means all organizational units which are available in my domain. After star, I hope my ISC contents are visible to all of you. Otherwise, I will just zoom in so it will display. Okay, now after filter star, I'm going to use properties. So some additional properties will get added in the report. So after this, I'm going to use export hyphen CSV. Need to provide the path where you want to export the organizational unit details on temp. Okay, C drive. On C drive, we will name the file as OU details dot CSV. After this, you just need to type no in type information. Some additional contents will not be get added in the report. So our command is ready. Once you execute this command, this will export all organizational unit details in CSV format. Let me execute this. This has been executed successfully. You can just go back to the path C drive and you can validate. So see here, OU details CSV file is there. Just double click on it. At this moment, I do not have Microsoft Office is installed on my server, but you can open with Notepad. So this will shows you the details. See, canonical name, city, CN, country, created, timestamp, detail, deleted, is deleted or not. Okay, then protected from accidental deletion, when created, when changed. All these details will be listed here. But I don't want these much details in my output. I just want few of the details like canonical name, name, when changed, when created, like these details I just want to list down in the report. I will keep this report as it is, but here after properties I just need to use select object to select few properties. Okay, I'm just going to use name. After this I'm going to use distinguished name. It will shows the path of the organizational unit. After this, when created, so it will shows me when at what time this organizational unit has been created, when created, and when changed will shows me if modified recently or when is it modified. Okay, so I'm going to change the file name also. OU details filtered. Filtered means some of the properties we are going to fetch. Once I execute this command, it will shows me one more file. See, OU details filtered. Just double click on it. You will be able to see only selected properties. Name of the organizational unit, then distinguished name, then when it is created, and when changed. So this is how we can export the details in CSV format. Now, if I want to export these details in Notepad, so we can just simply use out file command. File path, and after this txt. If you execute this command, this will create a one more file. Okay, file path. Actually, here we need to use file. Once we execute this command, this will create a txt file on the C drive. Let's go back to the C drive. You will be able to see this txt format, and it will shows you the details in correct format, because earlier we had created a CSV file, and here now we have created a txt file. So this will help you to list down the details of the organizational units available in your environment. Now, if I want to export these details in HTML format, so whereas out file is used, we can use convert to HTML. And after this, hope it will work. HTML. Once you execute this command, this will export the details in HTML format. Just go back to the C drive and see whether this is showing in HTML. See, HTML report is created, and once you open, you will be able to see the details as same as txt file. I hope this video will help you in your environment, where if you receive any kind of request to generate report for the organizational unit, you can execute these commands. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.